All right, so here it is. It's the middle of the afternoon, and I thought, you know what would be awesome is to get a little pick-me-up. And by little, I mean a very little. This is a 6-ounce coffee cup from my favorite coffee place, Bodhi Tea Leaf and Coffee here in Santa Clarita. So I thought, what would be awesome to go with a little pick-me-up, a little e-bike. Bam! All right, so we're back out here in the beautiful bike paths of Santa Clarita. One of my favorite places to ride because there's about 30 miles of just beautiful bike paths. We got Six Flags, we got some cool bridges, some bodies of little bodies of water. But anyways, speaking of little, I am on the DYU, which I just explained, which is the awesomest little mini bike. It's a 14-inch mini bike. It's 240 watts of awesome power. This bike is a blast. Honestly, when I first got it, I was thinking, there's no way this is gonna carry me because I'm almost 200 pounds, I'm like 185, and it totally carries me. It's a 15-mile-an-hour bike, and it actually goes 15 miles per hour. The battery life so far has not drained. It's been a good get up and go bike. This little thing rips, but even cooler, it fits like a suitcase in the front seat of my car. Not just the back seat, but the front seat. This is, wow, this is crazy. Hey, that's awesome. Did you see that? Just saw another DYU on the bike path right now. What are the odds? Well, the odds are great because this is an awesome little mini bike. Also, not to be like rude or anything, that person was much larger than me and they were cruising. As you can see, we just are doing a little off-road. This is awesome. This is a great little bike. This is definitely also a confidence builder for people who aren't ready to get on some massive e-bike. This bike made my, wow, we are like in some very weird area. This is awesome. You know, people throw a lot of trash down here. Man, I just eating all the dust from the camera guy's bike. So this is kind of fun. This is, we're doing some off-roading. I mean, some light off-roading. Whoa, squirrely. But it's doing it, it's doing it. All right, so I had my nephews help me open up this box when it came, and it was a tiny box. So I was thinking, man, this bike, this is only gonna be for kids. There's no way an adult could fit on one of these. Boy, was I wrong. I can ride it, the camera guy can ride it. It's an awesome all-around versatile bike. I mean, the fact that it's so foldable, it is so small, definitely the smallest bike we've ever unpacked and ridden. It's just, it's cool. It's incredibly portable. I think that's the biggest pro, is that, like I said, it fits in the front seat of my car. Good battery life. This is a fun little, if you're zipping around town, a little mini tourism bike. You could fit 2 of these in the front seat, I bet, which would be awesome. My wife would love riding one of these. Another cool thing that I really love about this bike, oh, let's get up here first. Look at that. See, I almost popped a wheelie. Another cool thing I love about this bike is that as we were unpacking it, my nephew, who is a shorter rider, he's pretty intimidated with e-bikes. He's intimidated because they're big and they can go too fast, that kind of stuff. So when he saw this, he just lit up. He got on this thing and it gave him the confidence to ride. So this is for mini riders, new to riders to e-bikes, but also adults. As you can see, I was the second adult on this very bike path who was having a blast on one of these. So if you're interested in getting one of these DYU 14-inch e-bikes, 240 watts of power, you can click the link below and I am gonna go have some fun. Meow. Oh, I'm stuck in the sand. Oh, it's kind of sinking in the, we're gonna keep going.